Dad, I want to share something. Sure, son, go ahead. I don't want to go for engineering, Dad. Why? With sadness. My interest is in another field. I would not be able to give my 100% in engineering. But most of your chums are interested in this field. Dad, but I am not. Please try to understand. Do you have a reasonable justification to support this decide? Dad, first you please calm down and take a seat. I will explain you everything. Okay. Actually, the thing is that all through these years I have realized that even though our family has a science background, my brain is creatively bent. So, I want to become travel blogger. Okay, son, I will support all your decisions. After all, it's your life and I want you to excel in whatever field you choose. Thank you, Dad, for understanding my part and for supporting me. God bless you, son. Keep rising and shining. I have a request to you. Tell me, please. My class is going on a picnic to Murray. What is your purpose? I also want to go with my class. Who are going on picnic? Rashid, Fahim, Salim, Yasin all are going on picnic. For how many days is your class going to Murray? Only for 1 week. When will your class go? Today at night. Okay, you may go. How much money you want? Only 1,000. Alright, take your money. Keep mobile with you so that connection between you and me could remain alive. Mother. It is great pleasure, Father has allowed me to go on picnic. Please give me 3 sweets of different varieties and pack my bag. But I shall go to leave you with your mother at railway station, because you are my only son. Father, please give me your camera so that I could take different photos of my friends and myself. It is a great pleasure for me that you have demanded money and camera for the first time. Pray for us because our train is about to leave the station. May you all come back safe and sound. Goodbye. Goodbye.